After about 25 years of abuse and driving, the E46's steering wheel is starting to degrade. There's like tears in the steering wheel, it doesn't feel too good, and it's looking pretty bad. I saw an Instagram ad that came up on my feed, a company called East Detailing that sells custom steering wheel kits. You select your car, the make and model, and it comes up with the steering wheel. You find the one that matches. They then offer different materials that you can pick from. You can get leather, like Alcantara, suede, carbon fiber, and then you can pick the thread, like color, and you can pick like if you want a little marker at the top and what color you want that. So a lot of customization, and it's basically meant to fit perfectly to your steering wheel. You've got to like stick it on, you got to like stitch it up. So it is going to be a little bit of work, but hopefully once this is all done, it'll look pretty nice. So here it is. Here's the kit that I got. It cost about 50 USD, which is probably about 80 Australian dollars. Open it up and it's got everything we need. Now I picked full smooth leather, but you can get different options as like perforated or something. And I picked a blue stitching with a blue marker on top. I wasn't too sure what color I wanted. I ended up going with blue, but hopefully that looks good. I'm thinking because the BMW badge is blue, it'll be matching. I don't know. I'm not great at making decisions. Also comes with double-sided sticky tape, which you use on the inside of the leather to stick it down to the steering wheel. That's going to stop it from sliding around once it is stitched on. And thread, little puller and needles, and I don't know what that gold thing is, but it comes with that. And my favorite part, which you guys know I love about any mod I do, it comes with instructions. So that is a huge plus because a lot of things I buy don't come with instructions and I have no clue what I'm doing because I'm not a professional. So that's awesome, plus for that. You don't have to take the steering wheel off. You can do the whole install with the steering wheel still attached to your car, but I feel like it's going to be easier for me to just kind of get it right if it is off the car. So first thing to do is use a double-sided sticky tape and just line the edges of the steering wheel cover so that it sticks to the actual wheel and doesn't move around once we've sewn it in. I'm very nervous to stick anything on, but we're going to do it. So the steering wheel is all done. It took quite a bit of time, I'm gonna be honest. So the last thing to do is to get it back into the car. Make sure your battery's disconnected if you do take it off the car and when you put it back on, because you don't want the airbag to go off and blow up in your face. Time to plug the battery back in. All right, the steering wheel is back on the car and I'm honestly really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks almost brand new again and it feels really nice to hold. I actually think the blue was a great choice. It fits really well with the BMW logo and I love the little marker on top. It just makes it feel a little bit more sporty when you're driving. Now, it isn't perfect. I made a few mistakes with the stitching and the sides don't sit perfectly flush. but mostly that's from my lack of experience with sewing, and I think I actually did pretty good considering I've never done it before. Now keep in mind, this isn't a quick install. It's probably gonna take your whole day, especially if you haven't done anything like this before, and you also aren't gonna be able to drive your car in between installing this. It's not overly difficult, it's just time consuming. If you put the patience and the hard work in, you will be able to do this and have a really good end product. With the price being around 80 Australian dollars, I think this is really good value for money. Yes, a professionally refurbished steering wheel will look better, but that's going to cost you 10 times the price. I've seen some of them go for almost $1,000, and while they do look awesome, this is $80 and I really don't want to spend $1,000 on a steering wheel. You also do have the option of getting a kit from websites such as AliExpress or eBay. I went with East Detailing because they have a large selection of wheels and I was more confident that the end product was going to look good. But I probably could have got the same outcome with a website such as eBay or AliExpress. Let us know in the comments what you think of the end product. Did I do a good job? Was blue the right choice? Subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next video, thanks for watching.